We're at the Foundry Art Centre, and our current exhibition is WAG, an exhibition for dogs. So this exhibition, as the name implies, is specifically curated and designed for our furry four-legged friends. All the artwork in this exhibition is specifically curated, chosen, designed for dogs. So you'll see artwork that is dog-themed, as well as interactive art specifically for dogs to enjoy. So we have paintings and photography that are hung at dog height, as well as interactive sculpture that the dogs can play around with. We have multimedia installations, so we have a TV video that's at a dog's perspective. We also have a dog photo booth, so the dogs can experience what I call the car simulator with the open window and smells blowing through. Then we also have a few special things such as our dog bowl art. So we invited artists from the community to create artwork on dog bowls that are then auctioned off in a silent auction running through the exhibition. And all of that artwork that would be sold will go to St. Charles Animal Shelter. So current statistics show that 65.1 million households have at least one dog in their home. And it's just a perfect pairing. The Foundry staff are all dog owners, and people who visit the Foundry oftentimes want to bring in their dogs. So it's a perfect opportunity for dogs to come on in. And another reason why I decided to have an exhibition for dogs is that there is really good quality regional artwork in this exhibition. And it's another chance for visitors who might be a little reluctant about galleries. Sometimes art galleries can be very intimidating, and this is such a fun entry point for people to come in, have fun, but also appreciate artists and artwork that we have right here in our old backyard. For our opening, we invited people to bring their dogs, which the dogs are allowed to come to the gallery anytime through the run of this exhibition. We also invited makers and small boutiques that cater to pets. So there was a vendor fair where they can come and people could purchase things for their dogs or for their dog lovers. And then we also had art activities, not just for two-legged individuals, but also for our dogs as well. So dogs could come in and they were able to make paintings that they could take home with them that evening. We also have a lot of fun workshops, classes, and programs that tie into this exhibition, and you can learn more at foundryartcenter.org.